in any event, in any conference, in any meeting. Everyone is supposed to listen. Yet, we believe everyone should get your undivided attention. Few dare to ask questions, yet everyone should be allowed to speak out. Everyone should be allowed to comment and discuss. In any event, in any trade show, in any workshop, people come, people go, people see, people show. Yet, everyone should be enabled to easily connect with everyone. In any event, in any conference, in any meeting, everyone welcomes your knowledge. Always. And everyone should be empowered to share with everyone. DialogLoop. The more you share.